Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to make dotted photo in Photoshop. Let's begin. I already insert this image. Simply create a new layer. Click the gradient tool and select the gradient drop down menu. Click this style white and black. Okay. Then press enter. Click and drag it. Go to filter tab. Find this pixelate. Click pixelate and now see this color half tone. Click here. Max radius 70, channel 0, channel 2 all 0 use. Then now click OK. Wait and see this. Then again click this layer opacity. Use low opacity. OK. Click the eraser tool. Right click on your mouse. Click the low opacity. Opacity 50% or 35. Press enter. Then simply click for remove this half tone or dotted. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.